I know you don't know me very well, but thanks. I appreciate what you did there. Us girls have got to look out for each other.
The most important thing is that we stick together, okay?